Hey, what's up, guys? It's Clayton J. We're back in the video. Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? He's in his kennel, and the door's open. He's just hanging out. Topper. Topper. There's nothing in that bowl. What are you doing, Topper? He's been pulling that blanket around, yep. What are you doing, buddy? You wanna eat? You wanna eat, buddy? Oh, or do you wanna get my toes? Hey, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here, Topper. Come here. Oh, jump, 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 jump. Come here. Hey, he's just a baby. Beware, we're gonna be posting all the time now. I want to get all these baby pictures and baby video. Carpet now. Yeah, good boy. All right, so this is baby Topper. Okay, so let me tell you a little quick story. So I picked out his name before I met him. Okay, like I had like a list of names that I really liked, and I'm like, you know what? I think Topper's the cutest one, so let's go buy it. So I went by the name Topper, and then like the person sent me then I found him, and the person sent me the address to go pick him up, and the town, it was literally Bankston, and I named him Topper because of like Topper off in Outer Banks, and the town I got him was literally Banks. And is that funny? Come on, that's a coincidence. Come. Just a midnight dumpster diving session. I thought we weren't gonna dumpster dive all summer. I was gonna be sad. This looks nice.
Okay.
Why would they throw it away? Does the back look good? I mean, there's that stuff. Oh wait, that comes off.
Let's see if we can slide it in.
Oh, that ain't gonna go in my trunk.
Okay, pop your trunk.
Okay. Will do.
Say, okay, Mommy Allison.
Oh.
Say it.
Okay, Mommy Allison. Pop the trunk.
All right, come on.
I did. Hey, Bubba, what you up to?
Come on, help. Now.
Okay.
I don't have all day.
Feisty. All right, guys. How do I get? Okay. So it's too big, so we got it on the roof. God, this is ratchet as hell. I swear, if my car breaks, I'm gonna be mad. So you hold it. Could we get pulled over?
No, probably not.
Okay.
Only because I'm sitting out the window.
All right, let's get going then.
Get Topper in the back.
Topper, get in the back.
Get that drink, the orange one, when?
That's new. I just got it.
Oh. Literally go 1 mile.
So this is us right now. Allison's out the window. We got Topper in the back. All right, are you ready? Dude, if this is a success, I'm gonna be pretty proud.
Please grab my legs every once in a while to make sure I'm okay.
All right, you better hold on to it. Let's go.
Well, I can't really hold on to it with a grip, because if it starts sliding, so do I. 1 mile an hour. I think I got wind lash. Oh, feel my hair. Feel my hair in my face. No, my face. I'm so cold.
We made it, though. We got Top in the back. Hey, what's up, Topper? He's asleep. He's like, guys, you guys are crazy. It's like, what kind of family did I join? You joined a pretty crazy family. Oh, dude, I should be to bed by now. It's my bedtime. But nope, we're out here finessing some dressers. But that dresser's nice. Why was that in the garbage? That's a nice ass dresser. All right, we got it. Damn, that's a nice ass dresser. Yeah, you could probably sell that for like $100 or something.
All because I made you come and get me.
Yeah. She came over to see Topper after work, and then she's like, "Why not you drive to my house so we can take Polo Molly out?" And I want Topper to be like besties with Polo Molly. So I was like, "Okay, I'll drive over there. We can take them out." But then I gotta go to bed. And then next thing you know, we saw this next to the dumpster. And I'm like, okay, well now we gotta find the way to bring this home. Yeah.
Austin's putting down there, top to car.
All right, so now I gotta drive her back home. But she literally lives down the block. This is the best thing in the world. This is the best thing in the world. Just look how happy he is. I see you. Hey, Topper. Hey, Bubba. You miss me? Aw. Come here. You miss me? You miss me? I love his little crying. He's so happy. He can't. Aww. This is the best thing in the world. When I let him out of his kennel. Oh. What up, Bubba? Why you be crying? Oh, get a drink, because you dumped. I see you dumped your water bowl. I see you dumped your water bowl. Come here. You're a good boy. So, the weirdest thing just happened. First of all, look, I shaved. And I actually got a new razor. Look how cute this razor is. It cost $40, so it was a lot of money. But it's also a vibrator. How cool is that? So like one side you raise, one side you... No, I'm just kidding. It's like a portable one, or what do you call it? Electric? It's pretty cool. And it comes with a lot of different... I don't know how to take these off, but it comes with a lot of different heads and shit. So that's pretty cool. I like it. It's really cool. I think it made me look good. I also got this. Oh my god, yes. I want to start getting into face, like a face routine. So I got this. Ooh, it feels nice. Don't really know how to use it right now, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'll watch a tutorial of how people use it. So I got this. So yeah, but the weirdest thing just happened. So I was in the bedroom floor, okay? I see something on the floor, something small. I saw something small and I was like, okay, maybe it's like a stick or something. You know, I thought maybe like Topper got something from outside. No, it wasn't a stick. Do you want to see what it is? I don't know how it got on my floor, but it's a baby frog. Do you not see that? That is a whole frog. Do you not see that? That's a whole frog. Yeah. It was a baby frog, dude. Having a baby dog, a puppy, is the craziest thing ever. The craziest stuff happens, okay? And a night routine. So this is the night routine. Polo and Molly are here again. Yay! They're spending the night. They spent the night. They spent the night last night. Yeah, they spent the night last night, and they're spending the night tonight. Oh my! I walk away for 2 seconds. Water bowl spilled. Yay. I just filled that up, literally. He's so crazy. He's so crazy. He definitely got the zoomies. You always get the zoomies when it's bedtime. And I hate that because I dead ass since I've had him, and I've had him for a week now, I've gotten no sleep. But he's cute. I love him. He's so crazy. What is he doing? Probably, I don't know. Well, this is the night routine. So, I got to throw his favorite toys on this side of the bed. And, oh, Molly likes that toy too. And that's where Topper sleeps. I sleep here. And Polo and Molly just sleep where they want to. Come here, Topper. I'm missing all the good moments of my boy. I've only had him for a week, and he already knows how to jump off the bed, so now I have to lock up my room at night because I don't like him running around my house. Another thing is he literally just got on the couch, and I wasn't watching.
Come on, Topper, come on. No.
He can't do it yet.
Come on, Topper, come on. Come on. Come on, Topper.
Oh, my. He's gonna fall.
Come on, Topper.
Okay.
Topper, come on. Come on, Topper.
He's so close.
You can do it. Topper, come on. Molly, move. Topper, come on. Come on, Tops. Come on, Tops. Come on.
good baby.
Come on, baby. Topper, you just did it. Come on.
He's a ninja just like
Come
me.
on,
Get up
Topper.
there.
Come on, Tops. Topper, come on. Tops.
Get up there.
Come on.
Like, just go, do that.
Come on, Topper. Come on, Topper. Come on.
Oh, Molly was like,
Come on,
nope.
Topper. Come on, Topper. Come on. He did it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Well, Molly, you have to let him.
Molly. Come here, Molly.
Come on. Damn it.
Come on, Topper. I'll help you. Get up. No, come on. Up there. Up there, Topper.
Tops, come on.
Come here.
Molly, sit.
Come on, come here.
Topper, come on.
Hurry up. Come on.
Topper, come on. Come on.
Come on.
Come on, Tops. Come on.
Ready? Ready?
Come on, Tops.
Get up there. Get up.
Come on. Tops.
Dang it. He was close. I can see him getting up there. Yeah, he just
Sure, I know.
claws. I'm making some breakfast before work. I got work. Here
I just
is
live here.
pretty much. I went shopping yesterday. This is for Tops. This is for Tops. So for the kennel, because he likes to bark in the kennel. And my fridge is finally full. Also, that whole 60 eggs literally cost $4. Crazy. But yeah, made some sausage, making some hash browns, making some eggs. And yeah, got the dogs. Allison decided to show up at frickin' like 5 in the morning. So annoying because when you wake up Topper does not go back to bed. So he was just up the whole night, the whole day.
I went back to bed though.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I barely did.
Topper!
All right, so we're gonna eat. I'm gonna go to work. She has the day off, so she's probably gonna hang out with the dogs.
Ow, Topper.
And I got ninja class. Oh my God! So are you taking Topper when I leave?
Yes. Ow,
Okay.
Topper.
All right.
Spanking in the butt if you keep doing that.
Oh, Topper's getting in trouble.
He's a sweet.
He's so tiny.
I know.
Look at Wee Wee. She's like, who's on my mama's shoulder?
Topper. It's a boy.
Good boy.
Can you see him?
Yeah.
She's getting a picture of his face. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's adorable. Topper.
I was like, oh, where did these go?
He's reaching so strong.
Successfully cut efficiency standards, if they successfully burden these industries with more regulation, and by the way, they are proposing bills to do that, then what is going to happen the next time one of these heat waves come?
Hey, you need to stop. Thank you. You need to stop, Jim.
Good morning, guys. I want to show you something really cute. Watch this. So, Bubba right here. He actually did really good sleeping tonight. This was probably the best sleep ever. Good boy. Yeah, you did really good. But watch this. Alexa, good morning.
He's never pooped in the hive, so during winter, when they mostly stay inside and away from the cold, it builds up. But on summer days, they all fly out together on so-called cleansing flights, which is cleansing for the
Topper.
but not for whatever happens underneath.
He thinks someone's here.
It heats at 75 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies instead. Today, you can expect intermittent clouds with a high of 91 degrees and a low of 67 degrees. Here's your flash briefing.
Alexa, turn off. Topper, come here. Come here. Alexa, turn off. Hey, stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, stop, stop. No one's here. No one's here. No one's here. He thought someone was here. Nope, outside. I need to take him out. He's gonna be in the house if I don't take him out. Outside, outside, outside. Outside. Come on, buddy. Outside. Outside. Good boy. Oh my hell. It is hot as a motherfucker out here. There he is. Topper. Okay.